Hi, good morning. My name is Carmen, and I'm going to explain about the workshop for the English subject. I did the workshop as a teacher in the higher grade of social integration, teaching the four subjects, specifically in job search topic. The unit will be divided into several lessons, and I'm going to develop two of them. First of all, I'm going to explain the first lesson, which will be oriented to the knowledge of the professional characteristics of a good social integration, making a comparison and analysis of our personal characteristics while we work through dynamics of the importance of nonverbal language in our day-to-day and specifically in a job interview. Moreover, in the second lesson, we will work on the identification of job portal, how to create a vitae curriculum, and we will search of real job in our context. In other words, a student must be able to find the most interesting job of them for them. According to the first lesson, students have to do a previous tasks in which they must make a list of good characteristics of a social integration. After that, they should use a SWOT, in Spanish, DAFO, in order to analyze themselves. Consequently, we will start working in groups where students will share their previous results and highlight common and uncommon aspects. In addition, we will debate and work together about it to get the perfect social integration. Secondly, we will carry out a personal work using the CAME, correct, adapt, maintain, and explore technique to offer alternative to the answer of the SWOT DAFO, putting in common the most relevant aspects through a dialogue guided by the teacher. Moreover, we will speak about nonverbal language and control of body gesture for a job interview. For this activity, we will watch a video where it is explained three simple tips for a presentation. After that, the student, through a role play will perform real situation of a job interview expressing a correct and incorrect nonverbal language, creating a guided discussion for the analysis of what we observe. To finish the lesson one, we will do a visual thinking about the most important things we have learned, vocabulary and other things we we think are important. In the second lesson, in Padlet, we must be the lesson one and now lesson two. In the second lesson, and I say before, a student will have to search for different portal jobs and they must make a personal resume. To continue, a student will have to present their resume to the rest of the classmates. We will use a project to watch it. In addition, we will do a brainstorm to give them some new idea. Teacher can show some good resume example. Furthermore, a student have to looking for two different of their relate to their professional profile. After that, we will divide the class in several groups, uh, which must look for job offer in Seville before doing it. They have to explore the area and make a list of the job we should be interested in. We will finish the lesson again with the elaboration of a poster where we will show the vocabulary and the new idea learning. You can find the rubric in Padlet. I'm going to use order to evaluate both lessons. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day and goodbye.